atomic, that is another part is the types. We have to discuss the preparation methods of these 5 types. The first type is XY, second one is XY3, third one is XY5, and last one is XY7. So one by one we will discuss about the preparation methods of the various types. First one is XY. For example, CLF, that is chlorine fluoride. When chlorine reacts with fluorine at 250 degrees centigrade, there is a formation of 2 moles of chlorine fluoride. See students, see the reaction. Chlorine Cl2 plus F2, that is chlorine reacts with fluorine, or it is heated at 250 degrees centigrade. There is formation of 2 moles of chlorine fluoride, 2 moles of CLF. See the first reaction, that is Cl2 plus F2 at 250 degrees centigrade. There is a formation of 2 CLF, that is 2 moles of chlorine fluoride. See the second reaction, that is Cl2 plus ClF3. Chlorine reacts with chlorine trifluoride. Chlorine reacts with chlorine trifluoride at 300 degrees centigrade. There is a formation of 3 moles of CLF, that is 3 moles of chlorine fluoride. See another reaction, that is another example of XY. Second example of XY is BRF. Br2 reacts with F2, that is bromine vapors mixes with the fluorine. There is a formation of 2BRF, 2 moles of bromine fluoride. Br2 plus BRF3, that is bromination of bromine trifluoride is carried out. Bromination of bromine trifluoride is carried out to form 3BRF, that is 3 moles of bromine fluoride. Now the third example of XY is IF. I2 plus F2, that is iodine plus fluorine, is chilled. It is the temperature is around about minus 45 degrees centigrade to form 2 moles of iodine fluoride. The next one is BrCl, the same type of reaction, that is Br2 plus Cl2 is converted to BrCl. Now another example is XY3. The type is XY3. Example is ClF3. ClF3. See the reaction. That is C2Cl, that is Cl2 plus 3F2 at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. There is a formation of 2ClF3. Another example, that is chlorine fluoride reacts with fluorine, or fluorination of chlorine fluoride gives chlorine trifluoride. Another example is BRF3. Br2 plus 3 moles of F2. Br2 plus 3 F2, that is bromination of fluorine, means the product will be 2BRF3, that is bromine trifluoride. Even you can take interhalogen compound to form the new interhalogen compound. This is very interesting example, that is ClF3 plus Br2 is converted to BRF3 plus BrCl. Means interhalogen compounds can also form another interhalogen compounds. The another example is ICl3, that is I2 plus 3Cl2. I2 plus 3Cl2, it is converted to 2ICl3. ICl plus Cl2. ICl plus Cl2, there is a formation of ICl3, that is iodine trichloride. Another example of XY3 type is ClF5. The another example, that is XY5. The type third is XY5. Example is ClF5. ClF5. So you can take Cl2 plus 5 moles of F2, that is 5F2. Because now our target is to prepare ClF5. Our target is to prepare ClF5, so we needed 5 fluorines. So I am taking here 10 fluorines first. ClF2, Cl2 plus 5F2. There is a formation of 2ClF5. 2ClF5. The second reaction, again interhalogen compound reacts with fluorine in presence of light. There is a formation of ClF5. Another example is IF5, that is iodine pentafluoride. The last example was chlorine pentafluoride. Now another example is iodine pentafluoride, that is IF5. It is prepared when iodine reacts with fluorine. There is a formation of 2 moles of iodine pentafluoride. The nice interesting example, that is iodine when reacts with 10 moles of silver fluoride. Iodine when reacts with 10 moles of silver fluoride, there is a formation of 2 moles of iodine pentafluoride plus 10 silver get free, or it is converted to the pure silver. Last example is IF7, that is called iodine heptafluoride. This is important for exams also. IF5 plus F2, it is converted to IF7. Even you can use potassium iodide. In the second reaction I have used potassium iodide plus fluorine, or fluorination of potassium iodide. We can form IF7, but you have to use 4 moles of F2, that is 4 moles of fluorine. It is converted to IF7 plus potassium fluoride KF. Then third one is PbI2, that is lead iodide plus 8F2, 8 moles of fluorine. Lead iodide plus 8 moles of fluorine. There is a formation of 2 iodine heptafluoride, 2 moles of iodine heptafluoride plus lead fluoride, that is PbF2.